Hello everyone. This video is today to celebrate the 4th year anniversary of Team Yahoo PH, and before that I'm going to the mall to buy something, and then look at that. I'm surprised that people queuing for something. So I'm so curious what's going on, because the queue is very long, and now I discovered where they go, because today is Malaysian Day, like our Philippines Independence Day, or araw ng something like that, like Cagayan de Oro, araw ng Cagayan. So today is also araw ng Malaysia. Yan, so I'm very curious talaga kung bakit ang mga tao nagkandarapa na nag-queuing, hindi ka masyadong makadaan kasi sobrang daming tao. So go, where they going? Just take a look and find out what is in there so special. Why people sacrificing to queue? So I found out that they are going to
Here to feed the aquaria. The aquaria. The big aquarium, like that. Like this. So this is the one. Oh, purchase your ticket here. So this is the one. Oh my God. Just queuing.
You can feed the fish inside. So far, I didn't go there.
I'm in a hurry.
To visit the ticket of foreigner is different from the
Everybody on the phone.
so they're going to acquire to feed the fish. That's for today's
And that's one. I'm too sexy.
Malaysian Day.
So sexy.
So walking around.
So once again, I'm placing this channel of the Petronas Twin Tower, the proud of Asia.
Please didn't, or Kylie didn't come with me because
So interesting.
it's okay.
So interesting.
Namimili ko kasi. Ayun.
You see?
Yo, spirits. Oh guys. Yan. Ang hirap kayong mga
Sephora. Wow. Kylie like this. Mooncake. So now I'm going to Isitan. So bye. It's eight. Dahil anniversary ng Team Yahoo. Ayan, ang daming bulaklak na i-flex ko. Para yan sa Team Yahoo, guys. Mga pure or real. Okay. This is PH to KL TV. Thank you for watching. Be safe.